Hi, hello, and welcome back to our channel T3G Facts. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the latest Sony AN1000 Multichannel AV Receiver. This receiver promises to deliver high quality sound and features that will take your home theater experience to the next level. So why waiting? Let's get started. Alright, let's take a quick look at what's inside the box. As soon as we open it up, we see there is a small box on top of the box which contains receiver. This box consists of user manual and some paperwork and has a remote control and its batteries. This remote control has a simple layout and all of the buttons are clearly labeled. Apart from that, you have certain cables which are used for the receiver to get connected. Underneath, we see a Sony receiver beautifully wrapped in plastic to keep it protected during shipping. Really nice. Wow, this receiver looks sleek and modern. It has a black brushed aluminum finish with bright, easy to read display on the front. It also feels really sturdy and well built. Before we dive into the performance, let's take a quick look at the specifications. This Sony receiver has 7.2 channels, supports Dolby Atmos and DTS, has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, has 6 HDMI inputs and 2 HDMI outputs, can output up to 165 watts per channel. It also has 8K HDR pass-through, which means you can enjoy your favorite movies and shows in stunning high-quality resolution. Setting up the receiver is really easy. All you need to do is connect your speakers and your TV using the included HDMI cables and then power on the receiver. The on-screen setup guide walks you through the rest of the setup process, which includes connecting to Wi-Fi and setting up any additional features you want to use. Now, let's talk about the sound quality. I have to say, I'm really impressed. The sound is clear and crisp, with great separation between the different channels. The Dolby Atmos and DTS support really add to the immersive experience, making it feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Sony receiver. It looks great, is easy to set up, and delivers incredible sound quality. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, this receiver will take your home theater experience to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.